Blizzard time. Three feet deep. Gosh, it's so bright out here. Dogs are enjoying it. Where I'm standing, there's about 3 feet. 3 feet of snow. There's my dog out there. Coop! Come here! Come here! He can barely walk. That's Destiny right there. And that's her knees. And as you can see, it's all the way up to her knees.
Yes.
That's how deep it is. This is her house.
Even deeper out there by the pool.
It's crazy.
You can tell that's the pool with like ice on it, and then the big snow. The big snow.
Big snow.
It's like 30 inches.
Yep. It's just not walkable. We're driving. It goes all the way up. See, that's the path in the middle of the street right there.
Will not fool by cactus like skin. So Jarrett is shoveling out. You can see your face. There you go. He used the big shovel to start it, and now he's using little mini shovels. Is that what it's called?
What?
Is that, huh?
What'd you say?
Is that called a shovel?
This thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this is the hole, the entrance. You can kind of see it. There's Cooper. Now Jarrett's gonna get in. Yeah. Cooper. What's he doing? Oh, Jarrett! Stop it! It's on my back! Stop! Revenge.
Hee No! Nobody. Snowball! Snowball! Snowball!
What's he doing?
Bonk. Hey guys, so that was our Maryland blizzard video with all the
Jonas.
snow. What?
Storm Jonas.
Oh, I guess, okay, whatever.
This is cool.
That's what it was called. Anyway, we had all this fun snow and we thought we'd make a video of us having fun in the snow. And Cooper loved it. Cooper loved it. So did we. It was fun. We made a fort. It's right there behind us. But it collapsed, so oh well. So much,
all melting.
so much for the fort. It's melting really, really, really fast. It went from 3 feet of snow to like maybe a foot in like a matter of 2 days.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Enjoy.
Bye.